Alright, so I'm going to be replacing the battery on these 7 watches with my broken clavicle. Let's see if it'll be possible. I've already opened them earlier to check what kind of batteries. 6 of them have the same kind of battery, and then 1 has a different battery. I don't remember which one had the other kind of battery, but yeah. So all we're going to need for these watches is this kind of flat edge tool, basically like a flat-headed screwdriver. So we just have to find where each one has that we can pop it open. Let me see on this watch. Okay, this one, I forget. I remember there was a gap. I don't see it here right now. Huh. Okay, I think it was on this side here. So we're gonna get in between there and just twist and pop it open. Okay. Go. Now we're going to remove this cover. You want to try and make sure it stays the right side up so it has the wording on here. We're going to put it the same way. Right here you can see there's a little gap here where it goes over that little the knob or the dial. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try and remove the battery. So there's this little plastic thing here that you can pull out. You might not have to pull this out though. Oh, this piece looks like it's a little bit broken here. Alright, so let's see on here. I don't really see anything. I'm going to try with a magnet and see if I can just pop the battery out through that. Let's see if I can grab this battery. There we go. So there we go. We got this little battery out. And we're just going to toss that aside. So the watch wasn't working at all. So let's see, once we put this back, hopefully it will go in. As you can see, there's a little... Actually, let me zoom in. There's a little metal part here that springs into the battery. So what you gotta do, oops, it's a little tricky with how small these things are, but you wanna slide the battery over so it pushes into that spring, okay, like this, and then push it down. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put this metal plate back on top. Might be a little tough for me to do this since my right shoulder's broken, but let's see. Just push that into place. Okay, this one seems like it went okay. And then we'll see if the watch is moving. And I do see the second hand moving now. So that one's done. Let's move on to the next one. All right, second one. Oh, this was the one I was having trouble pushing the cover back down. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pop this one back down. I was pushing really hard and it didn't want to go back in. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. So we got this out. Okay, here you can see the little notch like the other one so that you can line it up. Okay. All right, this one has this plastic on top, so we are going to have to pull this plastic piece out just like this. Let's see if we can get it out with the magnet again. This one wants to stay in a lot stronger. So I might have to use a little flathead screwdriver because this battery seems to hold a lot stronger. All right, let me see here. Let me try and get a close-up look. There is this little metal piece here that's kind of in the way, so I'm gonna try and lift from this side. Still doesn't want to come out. Let's try laying the magnet flat. Nope, doesn't want to come out. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to use like a little flat-headed tool or try and pry from back here. Let's try and use this. Okay, try and just get underneath the battery, nothing else. And pop this up. Huh, this doesn't want to come out at all. I don't know if I'm going to have to actually like pop some things out or not. Sorry, this is kind of hard to show. I don't see anywhere else that would be holding it. This looks like it's pinned down. Sorry for the bad view. Okay, let me try with a small flathead screwdriver. Okay, just gonna get a small flathead screwdriver here. And then we're gonna try and pry from this side. And see if we can get that battery out. I don't know why this battery's being a pain. Yeah, I don't know why it's stuck in there so strong. Go. Okay, battery has been removed. There we go. Gonna get the replacement battery, put it in at the angle like this. Sorry, I'm going out of view. Okay, and then just pop it in. So it pops in so easily, but for some reason to take it out was such a pain. All right, I'm gonna get this white plastic piece back in place. Okay, just like that. Make sure it's lined up there. Get the cover, same thing. Make sure it's lined up with that piece there. Flip it over, drop it down. Oops. Let me check from this side. Make sure the little notch, it's rotating itself. Okay, get that lined up. Just like that, and then try and push this back together. Again, this one I was having a hard time pushing it back together, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to snap this in or not. Okay, snap it back in. Yeah, I don't know why this one's not going. It's very strange, and I don't want to push too hard and then risk damaging it. But anyways, let's see if this one is going or not. Is there the second hand? Okay, so here you can see the second hand is moving, so we're good. I just have to figure out how to get this cover on. I might have to use some kind of tool with some soft pads to help push it in, but for now I'm going to leave that one and go with the next one. All right, so we got this next one. Same thing, you want to find a place where you can pop the cover up. So here you can actually see there's a little gap there. So we're going to go right there, get the tool in, and just twist it to pop it up. Okay, there we go. Lift this cover off. This one also has a piece of the plastic covering the battery, so we're going to have to lift this plastic piece out. Okay. Why is this one stuck in there? There we go. Come on. Just trying to lift this white piece of plastic stuff out. There we go. Just like that. Okay, I don't have to lift it all the way out, so I'm just lifting it to get it out of the way. Let's see if I can pop the battery. There we go. This battery came out really easily. Okay, get another battery. Same thing, there's that little metal clip there, so make sure when you put the battery that the spring, that you use that to push that out of the way. So you can't just smash it down this way. You have to actually get the battery in from this side, okay, like that. And then you can use that to help push it in. There we go. And then let's drop the plastic stuff back into place. Make sure the plastic stuff goes in completely. There we go. Just like that. Same thing, make sure the cover with the little notch lines up with the little, I don't know what you would call that, the little winding thing, the knob, okay. Get that, clip it back together, there we go. Make sure the second hand is moving, and it's moving, there we go. All right, that's 3. Let's go with this one. Okay, and this watch, I don't know if you can see, it's not too noticeable, but the corner here is more flat. It's not as rounded as the rest. And if you look under, there's actually a slight gap there. So that's what we're going to use to pop this one open. Okay, go under that corner, pop that up. Flip this thing out of the way. All right, same kind of battery. Let's see if we can pop it up without taking out the rest of the stuff. This one also doesn't want to just come out. It's like the other one with the where I had to use the small flathead screwdriver. So let's check this one. I think I have to take out this white plastic piece. Okay, let's take that out. I'm going to hold the rest of the thing down, and we're just going to pop it out from this side. Okay, just like this. Come on. Why is it being so difficult? There we go. All right, then we'll get the other battery. Same thing, tuck it underneath that metal bracket there. Oops. All right, and push that into place. Get the white plastic piece, put that back in. Okay, Get that. Line up the thing again with the notch. Clip that back into place. Check that the second hand is moving. There we go. Watch number 4 completed. Okay, next one here. Look for the notch. My brother's coming down. All right, so the little notch is right there. I'm gonna pop this out. Okay, just like that. Okay, open it up. Okay, this one has the weird, like, really large battery. So let's see here if we can remove that. What did I do with the magnet? Huh. I put the magnet somewhere. I don't know where I put it. I got those watches. Oh, I'm confused. Did it stick to... Oh, here we go. It stuck to one of my tools. There we go. Okay, so we got this one. Let's see if this battery comes out easily or not. Oh, I don't want to pull everything out of the watch, so we'll hold that down. This doesn't... Oh, there we go. So I just turned the magnet sideways, and there you go. You can see it popped itself out. All right, so we're going to grab one of those larger batteries. Okay, and let's see if there's any weird way I have to do it. You can see the little metal springs up towards the top, so I'm going to put the battery in from back here, and then we're going to slide it down that way. Okay, and click that into place. It doesn't really click, but just push it into place. This cover, it doesn't have the notch for the little dial, so if you put it, just make sure that you have the words Timex here. You want it to go horizontal right here. Make sure it's the right side up, and make sure it's lined up properly. Okay, try and get it as parallel to the watch bands as possible, just so it looks all correctly aligned. All right, and then push that all back together. Wow, this one's a little tough to click back in as well. There we go. Okay, there we go, and this one is working. All right, we got 2 more to go, and then I'm gonna try and snap in that last one that was really difficult. All right, so we got this one. All right, so let's see here. So the notch is up in this corner like the other one. I like how all these watches are the same. Some of them, on some models, you have to use screwdrivers. On some models, you have to use a special tool that twists these covers off. These ones all pop in. I'm guessing that these watches aren't as good waterproofing wise. I probably wouldn't trust them in the water. But anyways, we got that out. So let's see if we can pop out this battery without having to use pry tools or anything. I'm going to try and use the magnet again. And this one doesn't seem to want to easily come out, so I'm probably going to have to use... I'm trying to pull these little metal tabs aside, and it doesn't seem to want to come out. It's slightly coming up, but not completely. So I can see this one side is raised a little. I can probably like pop it up with my fingernail. Slightly. It came out quite a bit, but not completely. Let's try and pop it up this way, and there we go. Okay. All right, we're getting there. So we'll take this one. Make sure you don't bend down any of these 2 metal tabs here. They're supposed to end up on top of the watch, on top of the battery. All right, so I'm gonna put this side of the battery underneath there first, and then push that one down, and then I'm actually gonna push this metal tab back over slightly. Oops, sorry, push this metal tab back over. Okay, and then same thing, this one has a little notch in it, so make sure you get it lined up right. Just like that. And then pinch the 2 pieces together, make sure it clicks. Oops. And there we go. I felt it snap into place. And let's see. This one's going too. So there we go. All right, last watch. Let's see here, where is the notch on this one? So this one has also this side notch. I'm gonna get the tool in there and then twist that. That came out pretty easily. All right, open that, get that out of the way. This one has the plastic like the other one, so let's hold the watch down in place and pull the plastic up, just like this. All right. and the magnet does the job. Okay, take the last battery, check, make sure you don't smash anything down. The spring is on this side, so I'm going to start with the battery over here. Okay, like that, and then we're going to use that battery to push that spring back. There we go. Get the plastic piece, put that back in place. Then we got this again, there's the little notch there. Get that lined up, click that into place. All right, and there we go. Let's try and pop back the DKNY one. This one, I don't know why it's such a pain. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna pop this one back in. I might have to use some kind of like tool where I kind of tighten it down more and more, but just kind of squeeze it back in if you can. I might have to use like a vise or something, but yeah, lined with some kind of foam and maybe like a wood panels or something. But come on, I don't know why this one doesn't want to go in. Anyways, if we can't get it back in, then we can't get it back in, so I'm gonna have to find a tool later to do that. But I actually have to be somewhere in a few minutes, so if I can't get this in within the next few minutes, I'm probably gonna have to just do this later. All right, so squeeze it as hard as I can. I can't use that much force. My right arm is preventing it. So I guess we're just gonna leave this one. I'm gonna find some kind of tool, like a vise or something, or a clamp, and I'm gonna try and clamp this down with some kind of foam or something to help protect it. But anyways, that's all for now. Hopefully this video helped you guys. I don't know if it is going to help people, but it's kind of just showing that I can still work on things even with my broken clavicle. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe, share my channel with others. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.